Hello and welcome to another video for IGCSE Maths. Today's topic is solving quadratic equations with rational coefficients. Let's begin with the easy questions. The first one says, which of the following is the vertex form of the quadratic equation? So the vertex form is simple. I can just find out the vertex using my calculator. I don't need to do a lot. So let's just rely on that. Okay, let's go down. The coefficient is minus 1 comma 2. So which one of these gives me minus 1 comma 2? I think this one gives me minus 1 comma 2. That should be the correct answer. What is the discriminant value of the quadratic equation? This. So 5x squared plus 2x minus 5 minus 7. Now remember that the discriminant is the value of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so b squared minus 4a and c. So that's 4 minus 4 times 5 times minus 12. What should that give me? It gives me 244. So that should be the correct answer. Let's verify. Yes, that is indeed the correct answer. Question number 3. If y is greater than 0 and y squared minus 30 equals to minus 2, what is the value of y? Now, there are two ways of doing it. One is that you could take y to the other side and say that y squared equals to 28. And then when you put a root, there are both positive and negative roots. So you get plus minus root of 28. What is root of 28? Let's verify if that is 2 root 7. Yes, that is 2 root 7. So it could either be either plus minus 2 root 7. And since it says y is greater than 0, so it should be plus 2 root 7. Okay, then if minus 3 is the root of the quadratic equation, this means that minus 3 is the value for x that satisfies this quadratic expression. I could just find out the other root using my calculator. There's nothing challenging about it. Okay, I could just go to my polynomial and solve 2, 5 and minus 3. Okay, one root is half and the other is minus 3. So I'm just going to write 0.5 to make things easier for myself. Okay, determine the roots of the quadratic equation using the expression this. Okay, now since I have the quadratic expression factorized, but there's a root equals to 3 on the other side as well, which means that I can't solve this right now. I just have to multiply it through, so I'm just going to multiply it. Root 2 into root 2 gives me 2, and x into x gives me x square. Then this multiplied together will give me minus 5 into 2 into x plus 3 into 2 into x, and then minus 3 into 5 into 2. Minus 3 from the other side. So that gives me 2x squared minus 10x plus 6x minus 30 minus 3. So 2x squared minus 4x minus 33 equals to 0. Some more easy questions on the way. Let's solve this. Okay. So in the denominator, I get 6. I get 2x squared plus 15x minus 6 equals to 0. 2x squared plus 15x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, that was easy. Let's look at the next one. It says if the rational coefficients of the quadratic expression are a this, b that, and c this, then what are the roots? So I think this is simply done on a calculator. I don't think I need to meddle around with anything else. Okay, let's verify. The first one gives me the correct answer, so that's it. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3 says, what is the product of the roots of the equation? So product of roots, if you remember from the previous lectures, product of roots has the formula C over A. So that's we'll have to first sort of modify the equation. Okay, I didn't see that. So x squared minus 16x plus 39. So that's 39 over 1. So that should be 39. D. Yes, that is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 4. What are the roots of the quadratic equation having rational exponents? Okay, again, I could do this on a calculator. That's the easier way of doing it. Half and minus 3. Question number 5. If the roots of the quadratic equation are root 2 and minus root 2, then what is the form of the quadratic equation? Now, there are two ways of doing this. One is that I could start doing trial and error. The first one is simply factorize, so it gives me two answers, 0 and 2. So that can't be the right answer. I go on to B, x squared plus 2. I could have done all of these on a calculator as well and seen which one gives me that. Okay. Okay, so that gives me minus 2 on the other side. If I take a root, then this becomes a complex number. Okay, that's something that used to be part of the SAT, but it's no longer part of the SAT. Let's look at 3. So if you were doing that on a calculator, you would end up with an I on the calculator. So x squared equals to 2, then you put a root, and whenever you put a root, you get both plus and minus, plus minus root 2. So the third answer option seems fine. Let's go with that. That brings us to the end of the easy questions. I'll be back with some more medium level questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.